Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and are your sweaters or other clothes getting a little shabby looking and fuzzy? Well, it's time to get one of these awesome gadgets. This fabric shaver from Magictec is awesome for so many different reasons. It works really well to remove all of your lint from your sweaters or anything that is pilling. Pilling is that small little fuzz that comes off of anything, sweaters, skirts, shirts, and you see all of that pilling, all of that fuzz, whereas this one, way better looking. Besides that, this thing is rechargeable. So that means no batteries are needed. I'm one of those people that just always forget to have batteries in the house or get batteries. So instead, this is rechargeable. The other really cool feature is this lint brush. So more like, this would be used for more of your knit fabric, so think of slacks or suits or skirts that you can just easily brush off some of the lint or some of the fuzz that gets on there. So that's an awesome feature that it has. It stores all of the lint right here. You just hit a little button at the bottom, boom. And look at that. Look at all the lint that has come off of my sweater. And in no time, you're gonna have great looking sweaters again. They're so annoying that you have a sweater that still works and is still awesome, but it just looks not so good. So this is really gonna transform everything in your wardrobe. It's gonna feel like you have new clothes again, but really it's just your same awesome sweater that you love all this time. It's time to give everything a little updo with this shaver from Magictec, and that's my point of view.